Hey, hi Jason. From the address syncing, we will test once for addressing. We'll just create a new account in Salesforce. Test 306 and putting address to that account. Save. This account is synced to the QuickBook. We'll just check that account in a QuickBook. Here it is. Here shipping address is ESF and we'll now update shipping address in Salesforce. Was just save it. We save that shipping address to SF or add update. Now we'll just check in QuickBook. Now it's updated in QuickBook and also in Salesforce. So now we'll just check for another field. We'll update our phone and save it. Now phone field is also updated. Now we'll just update two fields simultaneously, phone and Salesforce shipping address. Update one, update one, and just save it. Sync token is changed, and Address is also updated in QuickBook also along with the phone. Thank you. Have a good day.